Hello stargazers, I'm thrilled to introduce GALAEYES 80mm Aperture Telescope with a 500mm focal length, perfect for adults, kids, and beginners. This high-powered telescope uses advanced technology to provide sharp and colorful images, making it ideal for celestial and terrestrial observation. The telescope comes with a stargazing app that helps align your telescope with celestial objects, making it easy to locate and observe planets, stars, and more. The telescope is also equipped with a photo adapter and remote control for photography, allowing you to capture high-definition images without any blurring. The sturdy aluminum tripod reduces shaking during observations, providing a seamless stargazing experience. We take pride in offering top-notch customer service and a 1-year quality guarantee, ensuring your satisfaction every step of the way. If you're a beginner, an experienced astronomer, or a parent looking for a telescope for kids, this is the perfect telescope for you. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance your stargazing experience with GALAEYES 80mm Aperture Telescope. Check out the link in the description to purchase this exquisite and luxurious telescope. Happy stargazing!